go over the BISSELL Turboclean. Just so you know, there is a switch here to go ahead and lower the handle, make it easier to put away. Go ahead and pull it up and switch it here when you're ready. This does have very powerful cleaning. I'm going to show you it cleaning some stains. So here you do have your reservoir. Now, just so you know, it is a little hard to take out, so you got to use a little muscle. You got to push in here and pull out. Here's the tank. You just fill most of it up with water and then the formula to top it off. So the green is just to go through and recline it, and the red is going to be to turn it on. You're going to use the button here to go through and spray the liquid. We're going to do that, and usually 1 or 2 passes with the liquid, and then you want to do it again 1 or 2 passes without the liquid to bring it back up. And you'll see the water come down here in this piece here, and we'll see it fill up, and you'll know when it's full and it's time to go through and empty it, because if you don't, the water's going to start spurting out of the top here. Overall, we've got a lot of stains out with this thing, and let's go ahead and try a few more. Here I have the product that I use, and it does come with a handy dandy lid, so you can just pour it in. There's a water reservoir. It is pretty heavy, so then we're just going to go through and pour this in. There's a little line in the bottom of the cup, and it seems like that worked well. Okay, we have 3 stains back here. Remember to always use hot water when filling it. We're going to go through and turn it on, and you can just watch for the stains part here. I did go through and vacuum first just to make sure nothing else is in the way. I do recommend that first. And let's go and start with this first stain. Now to empty it, we'll just grab those latches and pull it out. Now I personally go through and dump it down the toilet, and I'm good. So it's now dry, and I don't see any stains, which is a good thing. Let's check the other one, the tough one, across the room here. And it looks clean over there as well. Perfect. Hey everyone, before we wrap up, I just want to let you know, if you're interested in purchasing the product I reviewed today, there's a link in the description box below. Just to be completely transparent with you all, I do earn a small commission from any purchases made through the link, but it doesn't cost you any extra. But using my link will go through and support my work, and I generally appreciate that. Your support helps me continue to create more content and provide honest reviews for you. If you'd like to see more product reviews, feel free to visit my Amazon storefront below. Thank you so much for your support, and I hope my tutorials continue to be helpful to you.